keep getting waiting for network is an error message that can appear on the WhatsApp messaging app on an iPhone when there is a problem with the device's internet connection. To solve waiting for the network for WhatsApp, please follow only these 4 processes. So, let's fix the problem. Solution 1. Turn off Wi-Fi Assist on iPhone. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Mobile Data or Cellular Data. Scroll down, turn on the Wi-Fi Assist. Quickly after that, switch your network Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. Solution 2. Turn on the Wi-Fi from iCloud. Open Setting, tap Name, scroll down, tap iCloud, scroll down, tap Show All. Scroll down, turn on WhatsApp from here. Solution 3. Check these settings. Open the setting, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Background App Refresh. Now tap here. Choose Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also find out WhatsApp, turn on and turn off. Solution 4. Offload app. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap iPhone Storage, find out WhatsApp, tap Offload app. Once the offloading process is done, tap Reinstall app. After following all the processes, now if you still have any issues, please comment down below. Thanks for watching.